Today's tasty dessert is made with a splash of something you might have caught Granny sipping on when no one was looking. Howard shows us how to make Granny's Moonshine Pie in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
We're having a blast here in the Test Kitchen with our week-long tribute to retro TV shows. And today, we're highlighting one of my personal favorites, the Beverly Hillbillies. I always loved how Granny could cook up just about anything that Jed, Jethro, or Ellie Mae brought to her. With so many interesting things being cooked up in the Clampett kitchen, it's no wonder the show inspired its own cookbook. Now, even though the recipe I'm going to share with you today is inspired by the show, don't you get nervous. There's no vittles, varmints, or smoked crawdaddies in this recipe. I'll give you a hint though. Granny was often caught sipping it when no one was looking. If you guessed moonshine, you're right. And once you taste Granny's moonshine pie, you'll know what all the hubbub is about. It's basically a simple custard-style pie made with a splash of whiskey and served with a dollop of fresh whipped cream that we're sure Granny would have added an extra splash of moonshine to. The easy recipe for Granny's moonshine pie is on our website and is one you'll love whether you live in Beverly Hills or off the beaten path. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found Granny's favorite way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Yum, yum. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.